How to save hotels on Expedia app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about how to save the hotels on the Expedia app. So if you're having trouble saving your hotels, don't worry, this video will guide you through the process with simple steps. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Expedia application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the home page, click on the Stays option in the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, enter your travel details to search for the hotels and then click on Search. And from the search results, you have to choose a hotel that interests you. And to save a hotel, press the heart icon in the top right corner and swipe on the hotel and then click on Save. And to access your saved hotels later, you can go to your account and look for the saved or favorite section. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can save hotels on the Expedia application. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.